So in a previous test, we've done drop testing for the bolt in an indoor environment at 1 foot, 2 foot, and 3 feet. Today, we're gonna take that to an extreme level. We're gonna drop the bolt in the PMI test field at higher distances. We're gonna start with the man lift and go to 25 feet and 50 feet. So let's see how the bolt does. Bolt has survived the 25-foot drop. Now let's take it a little bit higher, 50 feet. The bolt has survived the 50-foot drop. So we've tested the bolt with the man lift at 25 feet and 50 feet. We're gonna go a little bit higher with the PMI drone system. We're gonna test it drop at 200 feet and 400 feet. And to do this, we have one drone configured with a release mechanism that we've devised using a transmitter and a receiver on the drone to drop the bolt from the drone, and a second drone to film the process. So let's see how the bolt does. And the bolt has survived the 200-foot drop. The LEDs are still blinking. Bolt is in good shape. Now let's try 400 feet. And we can see the bolt is still running, the LEDs are still on, and the bolt has survived the 400-foot drone drop. So we've tested at 25 feet, 50 feet, 200 feet, and 400 feet. The bolt is passing the extreme drop test.